But we no talk any of that person matter. I back.
I say the marriage where all of us, many people, you know, reach 10 people for this Europe. Now, so all of us did endurance. If you not prepare, carry your load, come out. So now you be waiting day now.
Okay, say I don't understand. You say marriage where we day now. Now suffer for this Europe.
For especially this Europe.
Marriage where we day so suffer too much for inside.
Endurance too much for inside. If you not prepare again, come out. So now be the thing. Because this Europe matter, what you make me talk, I say resist some kind of things, because I be person where they sit down, they think. I can't resist some kind of things, say, if men come up for Nigeria,
okay, now what you make, I want to ask you a question. Now, what you make marriage not on the street again? People are listening. What you make marriage not on the street? What do you think? What did they call some now?
What I think, my family members.
Okay, they are family member where they Nigeria and I cause them.
I they cause them. Because why? The fee say you will be woman for year. You want to sit down on top of the money and the guy come out, you want to find money for the fee say now you come to control the man. The man not come to send money for the girl eyes on him. This one they drag on, this one they drag on. Even one when you don't born, baby mamas, they drag on. Only one person, how you feel say you bring go take on down for that woman where you deal with for us. So that is the problem where we have many of us for this Europe. Where would they now?
You know, what in me I constantly talk, my sister, the way everything be now. Anybody will know say home no sweet. Make you date different place. You go day your house, the man go day in your house. You understand? So anytime when the man like, he go come they see you. Anytime when you like, you go, if you like, go say or he go come they see you. Anyone. It's more better. Who not fit stay with a man for us, or if a man not fit stay with a woman, make everybody day separation. Or you both he did this country where now. I have a girlfriend. Yeah, your husband, they know they live together. The woman they on her, the man they on you. I asked the woman one day, say, why are you people not living together? He said, because if you live together, we're not going to spend 2 weeks, police go come enter our problem. So it's better like this. I say, wow, this thing a good idea. Yes, now. I'm not saying you leave your man. Like me, now, my Igbo man, he go come, he go soon come now. If he come, he go spend 2 weeks or 1 month, he go. You see, as I them, because when I day in place, if they go walk where. Now, if people they don't say pursue me, no, you not pursue me. If they go, no, say me, I be person will be say, I dey carry. And my heart, you know, they said to, if you don't quick come, you know, and the only me one everywhere, I don't know anybody here now, they fit get 2, 3 people where they call they visit me. There, nobody, they enter the house. Okay. So loneliness come too much for me. I prefer to come my side. You see? So, you know, live it together. If you don't favor you, make everybody done you. You do on your own. Not me say you don't leave your man or your man don't leave you. You go they call you for phone or they call for video. Go, it's okay. Not be people get wife for Nigeria. Not be people get husband for Nigeria. So this between France or between Italy or between Germany. Now good morning. Hello. God bless you. Hello, so the way you they talk, so if you are not comfortable on your own, my sister, you go jump and rage and not be for quarrel. Me, I not come my side with quarrel. Now call and sit down. Now we're total. Because we're ujingwina ota. So yagi ubi mana we maybe go more ni we agwo mo ko no mo bi aro ya me no wu no ma oriome soto oriome wa. So na since wa mere my mamu eyerenti o we abe guna me to we maso odoni 100%. O say me na ko aje dia ile ma na mama weti my vagiro no my varo ori wona wo bi oti me ori break oti me ozo boti me ori oga soti me ori oga soti me mo ri ko be le call it again na se we call it bungbe. So anybody know where if you watch my video of yesterday, now what I talk, if you know you are not comfortable in your relationship, separation, not be say separation forever. Everybody go there on you. That Yahweh there. As me call the year, no. Oh, when I make the king when I imake. Oh, when I do when I igba never there, imake. I don't know that you understand. Hey, mama is settled. I said, no, I don't care. This money self, who will now woman, may take you before very good you know, we are in winner. So, my baby only may come in. Even your equate me, say again. So, anything stress, I don't need it. A piece of me wagwalo.
Okay.
So, go here.
Your day, you go there house, man, not get one way. If you come for work, like say, now you they work for.
Okay, God bless you. This is what I passed through. Oh, you working with a relay, I wear what you won't. Well, where I will bog when you make him no sooner waga. If you agree with me, Eru Damona Susse, Eru de Tibia, no one Susse. Then in our more one, don't know what you can away a Polosema. Also, in that magic. The same thing, so.
You go to sleep. No, mommy, make I tell you the truth. If you see the marriage where you get peace for that Nigeria also, their husband they work like Jackie. If they want to Gary for night, their husband they there. If the woman fry, the man go and you know they leave and police the woman. Now you be firewood, now be everything. If you see them when you sweet, when you feel one woman for them, that is how you be for them.
No, I don't understand. That is the meaning of say the man they help the woman. C'est ça?
That they help, yes.
That they help.
They help when
no, wait. Yeah. What of the woman not go work? Person like my own, I mean not they go anywhere. I can't wait. Make person where go to job, make on they do clean, I be make on the wash plate, make on the cook. Person where go work in the morning. As he come back, he give.
If they work too much, he work too much.
No, but for that one, even another plate where he take eat, I not go green me wash am because he may not go anywhere. I wish me they go work. Okay. Now will for the share. Oh, we clean it now. Maybe we work. As far when me majuk go no we are this thing. Equal no me that day no me do. I wake. A time me we no time. You know if you get time. You know if you get time at all.
If person CC work like that for how many years? It's supposed to CC raising go see drop one. So that you they get time for your family. Go see they get time to think well. If man to the zozo go yes, which time go take they think for yourself? Which time go take they think about the family problem, all this kind of things. So that is that. That if person to work and if they come for work, they'll say they don't tire. Now you go do everything. And they sure up. You know, be like Nigeria where if you say children go they play for outside, you go there alone. Children go they march you up and down. If they come forward, they will tell you say now you take house. Now then they work. Me, I prefer to work home. If to say you go feed their house, now me I go they book picking, you go they work. I prefer I go feed work 9 hours. I go feed stand work.
You know what you go do now? You're all good because you get child from there. So what you go do? You go start work. Put your child for school. You go the collect and later one. You pay double money. Yes, you pay extra 10 euro or 7 euro. I don't know how much that they pay here. So that anytime you close, you go collect. It's more better than you go just day house. Or if you are not comfortable there, you talk to her as a father, as a brother, as a husband, say my husband, I want to go rent my whole house. Can you take care of yourself if you leave the man? Come here. I take care of myself. Can you take care of yourself if you leave that house? Yes or no?
No matter like this, I will first of all start work. If I don't start work, balance myself.
Because I you bought my panye cannot ban of freedom. I you bought my panye cannot ban of freedom. I you bought my panye cannot jere. You know that you are a working class woman. You can take care of yourself. You can pay bill for yourself. Now you go feel go. And say you be lazy woman and man they take care of you. No, you bear the insult to bear the oja. The time we not get for you, you go bear and what back by me receive as one Romeo Doyavi, we are Romeo Doyavi winner. And then you go aquane my way. So who can bow nobody should imitate me. Go on.
There some of them not a bit talk.
Okay, some men not a bit talk.
You guy go take talk to person. You guys go take talk to person, even if you say the person self, not even like you go even condemn because this speak is very very important to humanity. Yeah, come they talk to person like trash or this kind of things. It's very very bad. You
know why? Make I still tell you another thing. If you see any man, for example, where they talk to woman anyhow, you know say now the man they pay bill. The bill is too much for the man head. Because I see no reason why a man will not they pay plenty bill. You go come they talk to you anyhow. You go still there. What are you doing there? Like your own, nah, your man, now they take care of you. Now they pay food money, so you go bear am. You not get where they go until you find work.
They need to stay now because even the woman said, see they work now. You know, okay, as I day now, she be I go cook for you, our rent, I will carry pikin. Other one not be work. Other one I work.
Be na work for we made day. As far as say money no they come out. Make I tell you, my sister. Now work. As far as say money no they come out for your pocket. They no countermart work. Africa me. If now you born yes, as I say na Nigeria man, he no countermart work. Oh, money no they come out for your pocket. No be money they can look for Europe. Who can Europe can go school? Who can Europe can lick other fellow human beings? All of us can look for money. Now true, I they tell you, So what I will advise you, you look for a job. I don't want make people imitate me. Say, Iyore na what we go take a jagiro, what we go robo boy, or my what we go waluha, or we go winner. Even if I don't want to we go monojigo ni yakoko, memo mona ma wajigo yakoko wime, or your job better, your job bije, or your bija yeragmo, or do you get idea of what do I see go one or do one on Yagi river? We may be imi ever we, imi ever find me or water, even a day Sunday, or you win a day Sunday. Also, in a bar, we are a mahume, ya said this Sunday na wa. A this Sunday no be ya tota koko. Ave babi tota yi palavi ha enjoy heavy ro. Na wa we go kwa many make na. Ni wa do ni wa die ma. Ona woman. So we can go apanyo not play music or low music there. May they not give me copyright. Oh. You want let them give me copyright? Not play any music. You hear what they tell you so, my sister? Before you go say you go leave a man, you know say you are capable to take care of yourself. Now advice for all the women where they listen to me so. Don't go with a man when you don't have, not leave a man house when you not get where to go. You'll be around to gather yourself. Be memo wali mana imi akabo government in any akamo 1 minute take back. Because I have my house, I have my documents, I have my money. So they receive money from government every month. I know that I can take care of myself. Now make I come out. So if you not get those things when I talk, be around till you get job. Yeah? Enu ya suse we like anu ya suse. One usero amamna menwi na mana nego. Beni mejemi. Go on.
If you don't have man finish that and I will contest and the man and the business.
Now make me miss the tell when I say nah. If you dey help man, you go dey help yourself. Not help a man, make you just leave yourself. Say go help your ma what do favor me na lie. Wa ame 2 naira, uri 50 cent, uri ne 150 we die. Wa planning here, we are planning next boy. But there are some of our women, they go they plan for man, they know they plan for themselves. Ekbeni o, they do already jet wokeke. It take by the grace of God, they value who no go planning wokeke. It take by the grace of God. When you planning here, we are planning next boy. Okay, when no planning no man, we may planning next boy. Only akpa. Tell me truth, my sister. That will not be mumu.
No.
You want go follow my builders. You never build your own house. That will not be mumu.
Big one.
So your talk.
I'm not fit try because this one self, you not fit to me like that. This time where this one beat me 1 day.
Your still they beat you. He still they beat you.
He beat me 1 day like that for here when I come here, when I no come here. He blow me anyhow self, not be small. So I come by fence for grants. I tell and say, since when I get this house, you not even they give me anything. I mean they do everything. So before you know yourself, you not even they work. And now for this kind of so now tell and say, as one people, I know they see money they give my family. You could give me
okay, as he beat you, you back on pretend. You back on pretend, say you faint. Then when you pretend, say you faint, he raise you up.
Yes, he come they beg. You not come go church that day.
He come they beg. What he come they call you? Say, he come they wait. I want make it done the message when I give yesterday. As you see, say you don't faint, you don't like that for God. The man call the tell say, which name they call you? Only a bit darling.
This not is not like that.
He not very romantic.
Sometimes it's the same way. Sometimes.
Okay, now when you come faint, he they call you baby stand up, Abi.
He say, hey God, they won't put me for trouble.
Okay.
And say, if you know, say, if I'm not pop for you just now, every month you will pay me 100 euro because I know they see money they give my family. Because okay, say I'm not worried. Say he go give, but they give me. So since that day, now come people they receive much more money for your hand. If not, before I just did dry like river where you dry for dry.
Okay, since that time he not beat you again. Now only that day beat you.
Yes.
And if he touch you again, you call him police. Not pity him. Now our law now. If he touch you again, even if an ordinary slap he give you, you go just go bedroom, go stand for mirror, snap and picture so that if finger they go see him for your face. Then you call him police. Yeah? You call him police. Man doesn't have right to beat a woman. Me, I stand by it. We say no to that. All the women, we say no to that.
You don't really have that yourself. Because I be some people self-inflicting.
So he can't blow you. He can't blow you like say they fight with your mates. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't go anything. I'm just a little person when I ask and say, you get what me and talk for us. You can't go do another thing. Because you can't go do another. I can't come and say, I'm not like this. Me and you talk. You say why me I go the me I want the control. So before you know, you just start to be and that they say,
Mona like this video. Mona like her.
You just started to blow me from inside bed now. Say, who's something?
Okay, when I just they change words, now you just can't rush you for inside bed. Can't they blow you?
Even said the thing be like you will not go exchange word day because I just ask and say, you get what you want to plan for inside room. You can't go to one for
any man. Make I tell you, my brother, my sister. Any man where they quit the verse. Now just beat they beat woman. Anger. Any man will get anger. Very bad. If you know you have a anger. A woman will get anger too, they quit the insult a man. A man will get anger, they quit the touch a woman. So anger not good for relationship. You have to bring your anger down. If you this your husband not get anger, you know can't rush you for his bed. Now men will get anger. That's why they rush women. Go don't rush you like this. And then they kill women. If that anger, okay, you get your husband get anger where. You know, say the way you beat, so that's it blow your enemy can die. Because people with the gang, if they beat woman, they don't care. Your enemy can die.
If love is me, I'll be person where you really get wisdom. Every day will protect the fight, but if you don't talk, I'll keep them quiet. So
how you tell no? How you tell no the man? I person carry and give you. I be now you say about yourself.
No, now me say about myself.
Now you say about and when you see her, you not get anything.
I don't tell you that myself. Nothing.
Because now men will not get anything. Now then they anger. Now then when things done the better for them, most they will come they misbehave like this. Now then me I don't read them.
In they do shoro, me they do shoro. That time.
Where you foresee naturality place you foresee?
No, can they change number from 5 phone now they know. So I will tell no now instead of because I see and say if they go like pastor that time. If you want to dress, they dress like decent man. Understand this?
Please, wanna give me like for this video? Wanna like the video? Talk.
I can't say maybe this one go good. Say as we say no.
I see they behave like pastor. You just saying everybody where they pray now be better people. Talk, make I hear.
So
I like a video now, man. I'm gonna like this video.
I can't say if they play, no, you get fear for God, you get fear of God. So that is why. So God, they sometimes for me they talk like this.
But I want to ask you another question. If they follow you do enemy, you know, say some men go do enemy 1 week, 2 weeks, they not they talk with the man. If they follow you do enemy for us.
This one, not the two do enemy like that. But if you don't tell me about what, if you don't come, they follow me, they do enemy. Those the thing go see they tell me, and the man say, I no will answer.
That the enemy, how many days did they last? How many days the enemy they last?
Laugh, Papa. Not the two. Sometimes we will say laugh because at times now, you know, say as me, I know God. I know the light of the keep pending in case of if I want to pray for night, make God not ask me question. So sometimes I go like make my just need to
go make peace with her.
Yes, because maybe some also pray as a pray. If I come they keep married something like that, you know,
no
go
good.
for my mind.
Yes.
So that is how it be. It be good though, but me I found the feel like whether you get power or you follow one. Whether you get power.
Why you not put her for prayer? As far as say it good.
Mommy, you know say if you pray now that time I think the worst. You supposed to know like that. The moment they pray, that time I devil won't even come well. And they pray, I never even see tired. I see they pray.
You don't put money for your head.
Money? No. Not be now. No, where they see each other first. Not be now. They watch each other first.
Oh my God, he said not be now, maybe they watch each other first. Not true.
Mama, everything normal.
You know, say not be all men we person friend that they marry. Not be all men we person born for now you supposed to say me pay your bride price. No, not better man I they pay person bride price. Akmangiri.
Yeah, you come man, you jump tomorrow, you come tell my family, okay, go see the one will happen for a pastor now, for their city. You just say, and you say, God, show for you, say, now you just ban, before you know they don't marry, go see Kota now. Marry, and the number one, me, I'm not being married without that man, not go my family house, I get love. Mister, if I get that one and I love, I'm not being married, say, you send money, go, or, I'm not being doing.
Okay, you know one, maybe that one where they send money go home, maybe they replace you. You don't like that one.
I hate some well.
Okay.
That one not be marriage now.
Okay, that one not be married. The one where you like, now you and the man go there.
That prayer where they go pray for you, that's your enemy. Mommy, make I tell you the why it good. Your enemy, where you do your papa house, they will drink your drink. They will pray for you. She not go let them say they not go pray for you. And if that prayer, you know they let return. As it was now down, they pray for you. If they come worry, you know we work again. You know they see say many people where they send money go Nigeria. You know they work. You know they work. Go by yourself.
That marriage where they send money go home. Me, I don't preach her many times. You know today, bam. You understand? Nothing like say you just go by yourself. You lay their hand on you, pray for you, hold your hand. Anybody where go replace them, now those people now do the marriage, you know. I don't talk this thing many times. It's true, you not lie. It's true. A marriage in an no, I wasn't marriage not they expire now. 150 years we married.
Tell me they worry, they go they do marriage. They fix them a marriage to put money, now be the marriage, now be the love. That will not be love now. To put money for woman head, that one's no guarantee anything. If my husband now, like my man, I never pay my buy price. If you want go do introduction, yes, that one another in case. The Bible say what the Bible talk. It say if the two family agree together, you are good to go. Okay, why you work on the hurry, send money, go where you never get document. No, if you not go to introduction, leave them. If not 10 years you get money, you go marry. But now see they study each other so that whether you go feel
work.
Introduction not be marriage. But as far as say the two families don't agree together, they don't go to introduction. Now see one benefit with that one. Now see they study each other, that money make it never enter. Me, I'm not agree. Not agree at all. If I want even say this man go work, God say yes, he go work, we go together. That is that.
You know, say another thing again, nothing where God not fit do. If they pray for relationship, the thing see they backfire, meaning the marriage is not there. It's not for you. Because prayer, they make things they can't die. They make things they cool. A prayer, you know what I mean? Okay, when they run the marriage were full, meaning now God they review and give you say no, there man even. Oderema. That is the meaning. Now make wa ne rujo we gbe sakpo.
That one I'm true.
What they like your video na me you bear am here, but una they sleep together for night na. O ma wo ga so, o di win so.
No.
That one good na. O we man ji win so jogo we. O man manager o si so we bia ye na.
Some person come dey popo body tell this world where money dey go sef. How many years the person dey live for this world where person dey kata no. That one no will fit work.
But then we jena na si so mo ye pay no government iri go no
Before they do, but now our this is about
Iya iri go no at all.
no.
Iji adema no pa wakoko we koke mo pay go wa pay go pa ira me. No.
Mommy, not a pity for man like that. All these days, that is how God created them now. That is how God created them. God, you know, say for our league, only one I got to create us. That is how God creates man. You don't have to pity for man. Anybody with the pity for man, you not good though. Don't pity for them. Say this one.
No, you know why they pity for her? You know why they pity for? Because as they work, so take care of you, take care of the pay B. Nothing go remain for her at the end of the month. That make her the pity for her.
That is how God creates men. God say, feed woman, feed them. That is how my woman will feed you. Okay, I will take him and respect if you know the pay. If you know the
if you know the pay B, yes, it's true. It's true. That one, but that one is true. But nothing like say. No, I know. Say now that one be the if man they take care of a woman, I go make woman respect her. That one are true. But in another way, nothing like say I want to be rich. If all the money where they work every month, nothing they stay in account, it can never be rich. That can go be poor person till he die. That is my meaning.
Only you see rich. You see rich because you know they sick. You know they person. No one. They are okay. For smart, not the purity. You go see rich. If they're rich, when richness they come for marriage, now peace. If you respect the woman respect. Therefore, not go come collect your money, now be richness. What to be rich? Where would the carry rich they go? As to be for
okay, now another thing I want to tell you.
He has now the finisher. You know the finisher. How many years will they know?
Okay.
Just can.
Okay.
Richness day.
He did, sha. If a woman get peace for marriage, you know. Wait, another thing again, many of our men they talk say our women not they get respect. If you now want make woman they respect you, especially when they live together, make sure say now you they pay B for house. There is no man we go they pay B, if they take care of the woman, where woman not go respect. The reason why many women not they respect our men, our men not they pay B, and they ask where you there, you know they pay B, you know they take care of the woman, then you expect the woman may they respect you. I mean they respect you. If you want to respect up your neck,
if my husband they cost me now, not to cover anything, I would endure. But you know why they endure? I they endure because I they gain, I they see something. If they feed me. You understand, ma? You understand my point?
Okay, the man they feed you.
Money.
Now they pay like B.
Yes, if they pay everything.
Then who they buy you clothes?
Child, he can do it. Yes.
He can do it. Ain't a good husband and a good man be this now. This is what we want. Now what our women want to be this now, my sister. Everything complete for your home. Oh. The man not they beat you. The man they take care of B. They buy you clothes. They give you money every month. What else do you want?
Me now, mommy. You see the thought. You see the beat me now. Now don't have you see that they not blow me anyhow. Tell you now.
But you say now only once. Now you know try him again. Now only once he blow you now.
Not only once so. Not only once so. Don't make them 2 times now. That one they tell me say no. Say no. You don't know that one.
But that beat here may stop her. May stop her. May not go kill you. May stop that beat. Okay, one. Go one now. Wait. One may not touch you again. May your enemy. You see now one man don't kill your wife for front. Slice her for fridge. Now you are bogging where whenever you are get where you wait fridge. One now. Maybe pay your book can we bet. In order to the man try. He try. It's good. Make person say the truth. He try.
You see, before I leave you just now. If man get money, he could. But if woman not get money and that woman follow you suffer, you get picking for you, and you dey work, why you not go make woman happy? Why? If you know if you dey make woman happy, now God will make happy.
Yes, that one are true.
Mommy,
that one are true.
Now they call you mommy, na sign of respect. Not the you go fit born you.
Yes.
You know understand? Na parable. Na sign of respect. Not the you go fit born me. Okay. So for God, respect the woman when you dey cross, woman when you even dey fuck. You know what he did there? That thing. You see this akara, what he got it. I don't know how to tell the talk. Now blessing to woman. If you do one work, woman will respect you. Now blessing to woman. So now they say man. If woman can no enjoyment where you enjoy for them. Why you not go feed you? Why you not go take care of you?
Me, I know, but man is made. Wait, my sister, I know man is made to take care of a woman, to take care of I know, 100%. That load na for man. But you know, say as things can't be now, nothing like say you see they use your hand, they work. Now when if you they use your hand, they work. Now then you go enjoy more. You go come take your own, join your own. You understand?
Mommy, if I dey work today, I'm not dey working for man. I dey tell you my truth. If I work today, I'm not dey working for man. I go do all my needs for us. You go take care of me well because now what you do Bible. See, mommy, woman money na my money. Man money na our own. No matter how say they work, not be make you not go not be our own. And my own, not be our own.
Okay, na the man money na be una o.
Yes, my own na my own.
Okay.
No, truth now.
Okay, your mother say me I don't know Bible now. The inside Bible say woman money na woman money, man money na our own.
Yes, woman money na my own, man money na our own. No matter how, don't let any man where you hide the time for your money na thief.
Okay.
Because what you make me talk, if I won't support my husband, now my mind go for come. Say because I want pikin. And the number two, they work on they work, the house now my pikin, now see you own. But if you can't be say you won't come they use force, make it go do one for your family, not thief. No, it's not made like that.
Okay.
Man have to take care of your wife and his family.
Okay.
Don't fool say because of how they work on my money. No. Or follow me Shelby. Follow me to this one. Now me, it go come for my mind. Feed me. I still they feed you. I still they feed you. I still they feed them now.
Okay.
I know they feed them.
How you take the feed them? Put us through now. No say you know Bible. How you take the feed them?
What not take the feed them? Now you get heavy past his own. Because go look hospital. Some man will not their wife. They go they treat their wife, their waist. Now me they feed them fast. That one, you know only way they there.
Okay, as if they hammer you for bed, it's more powerful than food, the bid way they pay. Okay, that is good.
Yes.
Okay.
That is true. No, not truth. Yes. So make you not feel say you work on the forum, they share money. No, they feed them. They feed me. Now my own self will take powerful pass ordinary food. No, not truth. Yes, that is true. No, go back to our Bible verse. God say, okay, go even look those where they take care of their wife, love their wife. Genuinely, not be for money. See how their life is sweet. Because if you love your wife, now Jesus, you love. Love them. Maintain them. Not say you want to stay in Europe. They won't see you. God will carry you from Europe. They work. You not try. God carry you from and say, man, you they feel work. And if they feel serious, he tried. So not just say, make woman go work because of my money. Or it cannot work like that.
Okay.
For me, I'm not feel married man like that.
Okay, you not feel.
Let me know my husband. I know many men now. I know some men like that. Some of them come they thief my documents. They go they do some kind of things. Now say, wait, not take this one. No. He say they feed me. I know they feed them. I better teach them something well.
Good. No, this one when you talk so, and the thing enter my ear, which is true. Okay, so men will not get women, and they will go hospital. They'll go they massage their waist.
Yes, and they drink okra.
So they give cocoa. And your husband, as if they give her for bed now, and I know they're not the massaging waist again.
EJ, if like now, if I dey happy, I know the way of my husband. If he call me now, I know they say no, even if we quarrel. Even if we get arguments, I no go say no because I know say now because of that one he dey with me. And before, I dey do and say, I want to use on the shakara. My husband go tell me say, he say me and I go argue. Even if say me and I argue, I no get right to use that to take shakara. Now because of that one, they fit me.
Wow, it's equal. What that way, oh? Una the yet matter. Me make preach it, but the first time me wabe ya on akina. Wabega we o ya me rati no ya bali go munu wa so awu mu we na e beti. Bega go hia u hia tam yo. Wa like a video na.
You know see, and I see video. So any woman wey dey work, make sure say na your money, not na money. Na your husband money, na our husband money, na be our money, not your own. That one they do it for your own satisfaction, for you to know say something them and hands. If you even still maintain yourself, you see and maintain yourself. Not for now, not for now. Oh, you cannot.
Oh wow, very nice.
Yes.
I beg you go. So maybe now you can receive like 2,000 euro. You know if you can support your husband at the end of the month.
I saw now. Mommy, this one they tell you so no we say, and they tell you say because of say now because of say I they talk to you, I want proud. This is my character, and I cannot hide it. My husband, this I even know. You know, if they tell me see if I get money, I go pay them. Now you and they find yes, and they find across with my man. That is why I get you. How? See, our people they make parable say, let's not fit on that sharing. A person's sister not fit on that sharing. They chop one way not right. Not saying. So that is that. I'm not fit get man. They scratch body. They find. If you get man, make your. If you the man never get, fine. If the man get, not too old. Not too old. Not be, if you get now your own, now your personal thing. Nobody can share it with you. Now your personal thing.
Wow.
Yes. Okay, mommy, why if people go say man they feed the so they can't forget say the people can't forget say at now the ones where they come man for bed where the
no wait Mo say the truth sha na man supposed to dey feed the woman na any man wey know say make his wife not look outside na ya age or ke no gba oge when we je na I believe you go have amigo ne ba ye a re o to no da fun we no na tell the look mo no e we mu ye ni ne abo ye we gba da look mo no wa ga receive salary. The man will continue to buy you clothes when you don't receive money.
If I receive money, I'm not gonna wait now. But as a good man, even if you say as a good man, even if you say that woman they work, still make her happy.
Okay.
You understand what they talk too? Even if you say the woman they work, even if now 10,000 euro, take get the day we go tell and say only take this one. That is love. If you know they do like that, love not go there.
Love not go there. God bless you. God, if not be love if I wait. I want to talk to public. If not be love if I all my brothers and sisters. If you deal with a woman for us, you know they buy the woman anything. No matter how much that woman they receive, my brother, you must give her money sometime, buy and clothes. If not so, I will be love you. Emma. Or be love with send you but very no na which is true or very make be or be love what take our love up and the beginning what bring it down when I want you jam I didn't even die I didn't make up I didn't know I didn't make up I'm more ladia or be love with send you but okay no make that set you go we bo any man with this stage you know if marry for abroad go here na no no is ever no go no is there come on for that place.
No before only for Weibo, both for Nigeria and I start. Maybe they tell you just now say if you look the marriage is way sweet for the village that time. Now the man where they walk like Jackie. No we talk to.
Okay, marriage where they last. Now the man where they walk where they take care of a woman. Not true, sir.
Yes.
The no
Even
matter
for
like
village that time,
what
who they marry raising man, who they marry man will not get anything. Who go marry him? Joseph not go tear firewood. Joseph, you not go tear firewood for in-law. Go rich in-law. Respect your people. Any man say this one. Kata kata go dey tell. Because one day, even if the woman go ask and say, since who say you don't buy me clothes, who say you don't buy me this one, the woman must ask her.
Yeah, that one are true. Woman they always ask a man, why a woman, where then your man way woman, or what common. Any man, we know what I don't even know what I yard belka. Or when he where you know what more. Where do mama dear, you know where she which is very bad.
Very, very bad. Don't wait for woman money. I know. I say me I go work. Yes, I won't work because I get family be first daughter for my family. I need to support. My father they like, my mom they like.
Now your family you want work for. I've been at you and your husband you supposed to work for.
Mommy, I see my word. I know they lie you. As I will come lie, I will go read my Bible finish or I will go pray. What now come they pray for the lie. I told you, I said my money. If I work, I won't work for my money, not be for my husband money. No.
Okay.
Bible not talk like that. See, it's better make woman they take care of children, sleep. Not to work. If you won't work, you won't stretch yourself. Now for you.
Okay, Bible say make woman they chop, make woman they sleep for husband house.
Yes.
I don't know.
Say, what you gonna make woman be queen? It will not be so.
Wow.
If your husband upload the share money, you go come in the night because he disturb you. What you come queen? You not be queen no.
You not be queen again. Okay.
You suffer here there.
Okay. Wow.
Which queen you be?
Woman are queen for her husband, to her husband.
Yes. Yes.
So anything we go make woman come they suffer for husband, her meaning she's not a queen again.
You not be queen again.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
And if you see the person body, you go make sapa for you they think overthinkness.
Now true, sha oko no think we what do e patakpata e fresh. O what do matter support no man think. Awa gi awa gogo odo emi esense no pia. But many o what do na ije na iko ri mi esense. Omade niti na. E woni bogo ni me ma support o pia keke no mi esense.
It's better say it's better for men. Or say you and your wife they quarrel. If your people want to talk, now the sense you can I go talk say the man they try you, the man be they try maybe not say that. That is good. That is good for men. Mom, you understand?
I understand.
So now
okay, now I want to ask you one question. Since you come abroad, you never pay house rent, give a man.
Never fail.
Ume ask you go one up there.
Like never fail.
Okay, ever since you there with your man now for how you never give him mama 1 naira one day.
And they love me well, and I never give a shishi.
Okay, I told you the year and so where they go.
I'm so thank you that they thank me.
Okay.
But one thing, my husband they feed and well, whenever I never say they cannot feed them. Now, the Bolowa will get for us, now I bring and come for me.
At the time, many of our women, not be by sending money, go they give your boyfriend mother or your husband mother, that you go make the woman love you. Now lie. Now you go gain your love, woman. I'm telling you people the truth too. Now you go gain it, where do now send you go give. In love of myself. I'm yana wabali go mugewe. Ije me 200. Ije me 10 Olandisi. Ije me 50 euro. What you are but any seven year kabado la what you do every time. I want to know why I'm gonna jigo ya brabi. You make na accept every home. Not true now.
No, I never try, but if me I just get money, I will see it do on my own. And if you see no, I never they work. You see this speaking when I come for years, so this when I want when I get for and I say person I go born again. I never want born again. Do you understand? This thing where they say, someone of honor. You never follow me share benefit one day. I receive money well. I receive money. The money when I receive, now I take carry my house when I try to I can't finish and the remains of income. You never follow me share one later. This man,
your husband a good man. Just sit down with him. Yeah, not come out. Now good man. What we pray now, may God give him a long life, more money, more peace. Yeah, the man a good man.
But sometimes devil they come. That is why he say, yeah, people make the man so that if temptation they come, the woman go see the beer, they feel the beer. So that's the thing.
Okay, now you what she talk now. I walk again up the aya kakabo. What the case temptation are no go eti bi o e. O be da na we you be na ogba oge me be na pay bi ya gidi e. But up the man ya we temptation na re. I no go do again, I no go do again. The woman here ata. Or come up from my house, come up from my house. The woman here ata. O be because woman jo bonu jeni. So what is the need of staying with him? Staying with her. You are right. Yes. You are right, my sister. You are right.
Thank you.
God will bless you, and I wish you all the best. You know, for this kind of your marriage is good. If you're not good now, for still tell you say you're not good, you're good. You know, no marriage with attention, no, they come once in a while. Now you don't understand. Say the man is good, he's taking care of you, they buy you clothes. Now only they pay bill. So the other temptation where you go come, that one is zero. You be prayer warrior. Continue your prayer. They anoint your home with salt and water. It shall be well with you and your husband and your beautiful children. God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ciao.
See how we do. While we drop it for now, we are now tearing. Oh yeah. For those who don't understand what this our sister talk, so it makes sense. So you fit talk say I will not make sense. Onaga okbe a pay bi. Okbe anyawa. Ologo koke disrespect Ologo koke disrespect okbe ano yawa. Okbe ano gba oge not only be who we are who we are really okone no ko amigo. Do we here collect go broke oni. It's another way no ya mi oigo. But the one way other for me is it €100 me, or is it €200 me, or is it €500 me? Okbe must gba ogo ku o mana gba ogo ku ya ts oge o mana gba ogo ku go pe ya mo bobe customer o mana gba ogo ku ya fi ogo ejuwa o must gba oge ya so ago kan we no wo eni wo go pari nyan o ma be gi nyu eni o ga we no ma be ga nyu eni e ko ni here border o eke no ojo o mi under 1 hour o me €100 €200 so gbe gbogbo e gbogbo a me ti gba ogo po ke yari ni ni bai o eke no invest. Okay, now let's go to the salary no kpiare mi. Okpiano give me 1,000 jena. Igo wa, let me say 600. Inigo ikebi okay 400. My sister, do what she me. Or you can 400 in order to pay you, but to pay rame. Or to deliver our momo. Ma bege go for. They go no hear ni no ko. Ugege a marriage in a boom of a very boom way. So I will advise our women. Ni advice when you walk be akeke no gba ogo but nothing like say wa we no bo we ayobo we kun only me like say we me ji me ma like we no pe wa like me every month me ma like e o kono you I like me but I have to work on my own I made dem no gba ho e o so lo ba no wu ere ba wo do so be square zero oga wo baba na you go ni we aga vie we vie ye love o akan ga gba oge me o akan ga gba oge me o oda fun me wo oni we aga vie ji u sere o be de to we ji wi na ba o we wi no bo o do e ki be no sunu ni o wa vie kere we o vie wa kan ga gba oge me e fe nu aga vie we o u sere ya awe me gbe ni menu o do ma ni ye ga ti a o kwa me na be nu madam se oni we aga vie ba. Okay, ijo ake ga gba oge me gba oge mo o ake ga zige school ne mo because uma work bobo o kwa work bobo ma o biari enu e but at least we jo bu we kwa o when me marry the highest man he must to have a business in you Awe ma na nijore wa mare no yo ri nego. If you bog wakara, beti akbe imi owe. Igwa to amuja because you give a maybe every month you give your bome huan. I can't do that now. Igwa ve your bome huan dog me kwe prefer you wanna work a business in menega go make every month. Ikele yenwe business in go raw. Iwe ke business we yaname. Oga no na we me on na every month me money day. Do I very no material me but you only have do a business. You only have make any do only oho. O biagi respect ya o respect oho no jo bo ho e di agbe dog no na ringu na no wari ngu na dog no na re eki no wari eki dog no na ye for country business anyone the most important thing e go la account every month. Okay, I mi gbe so no do mi eri enu wo ki agba so that wo weni we be ye fi de gbo e but o pe ano mo wa e wo mo my brother bring it down o pe ano mo e ma uke do gbe ni yoho uke do va ho ni ohun e ipe ano mo we ni ya gbe ko re we ipe na mo o ipe na gbe ko e ma tata mo wa na una mi ni ma no gboko to mo orere mo eni soro no we no ko ata mi ye we bi o ye ni soro yin ata mo we no ko we fi yen mi be we ga te we na te no ma 7 mi ye ta mo we ma ye o wa san pa gbe ke no tota yo do heru we o so agbo e amo we ri o ipe ano rere mo we ega e mana gbon ya rere gbe wa maybe wa wo se we wa argue eni o ni me se na na gbe panya mo wa gbe panya wa gini no se o wa ni wa yupo a we na do ti we bo kwa yo da fon we gbo ma wa e ma ni rere mo wa bring it down ege owu abun we life we my brother try na inwe no boy go no ga life we no ga we just e agbo azio be no ya re on top we be no ya improve we okay owu na money bring it down owu ima no wa mu owu ima ira be mi ko so no be mo wozo wa mo we kina wa e total ji o ya va anwa owu ima u ga mo o se ti ya mo se there is no way no man like unless e man no like we man no ma stay ke we wo wa e man no ma unyi me we o man do stay ku we na wo wa o mo so vi me no go la dia eta gwen even ni mo say ma ye like me because he ma stay ke we wo wa o man no stay ku we wo wa he like we a distance love o we here ya me we o man do gbe 3 months or 1 year be ken weje o hate we o man no re mo wa me man no like wa me no like okay we tell me my me mo me gita mo we do mo woni akun mi o ma de yo be ona na to take we na to ke do emini ama me ni jeru pon gbo we eru we mo wo zo a ona ese na wa fie mi ona ezo na ya atama we just because of that people the person can't hate you so we marriage again na marriage no ma wa no o le se we yen wa follow law re bible kakabo marriage ogena marriage no mano oga eri ko ni buya re marriage yin aga so jugbojogbo ami be no fresh ye o telebu e fo age to de o ma na owo gbodo so egbe jugbojogbo no fresh re yana the problem ni me na we yen mi wari ege family e okwo na ite omoto na kele temata inwene family we gije na enwene family then baba ogugwu ya ko bokuku we mo no wa bia na gbe ni aje better school ni ahun poma no wa be invest je mi oni ite no eriti nwene family ede no ko mare ede ro panye family re oga kan we go gian kan we go gian it's not by force wa we am sign a contract iju ma be go pa no sign a contract with a family oga every month everyone ari go gian ero wa ge we bodo change wa kosuna aro wodo na o eme family na koko won ejo wodo ni udo ja papa no do ja joda fan we gbe udo agba da family go many dey the family oh marry family okay a family where a respect how wa we many family where you go na be gin every month iju we me mo era mo o wi o ma okoko ma o run ga like your damage and it's not by force it's not a task where orun ame na almost to amu moto gun almost to do dollar wa meji almost to arige ba igun no error very o e koma na von ruan e koma na von o pianari okona e bego ruan e ko ka vone o ke bego ruan o pian weri okona u tie wo oda fami be mi ya ji e wari ba ene o vi mevo va e movo e je mevo o wa ma o daigo ojo run ya be mi orun afo orun na ri mi ewege na e pa wa ati orun awe no iwo mi ewefo o se neto ai na tebo ni yuwa iye be tebo gi wa because wa mo gbo wa gbo to na run digo owo akoko we o pe anu ri okwo na abi we me mo wa we ma ye ki we ya bi omo we ka mi we ni ari ge ba igwe be frimo no na do apopo we no ko no ro godo do disturb we no ko we ka ma wa we no ri go kun me e bi po be de na we no do mo mi la me we no do ri e go me I mo to me ri ai o wa me gi we mo o wa abi omo mo be bi omo o me ga na ta wa abi orun be bi omo o ma me ga no ya ro bi tento wa ga bi orun be bi omo aga bi omo mo be bi omo e no owo keke no do pe guwa orun even we wa ne no we orun na ni ri okwo na ge mi go yakoko mo ni ri ene ge mi ogogo yakoke e ge zo la yan epo e ge logo ma la yan epo ge daga kenia ge mi no maga bunyare o wa ri ne ni e je iga gbe wa jasen no ope anu ri okwo na especially yan iware we bona many of na orun wa jasen giwa which is very bad. Also, ne via ne gbowo do managi yo via ne via na fi panike dawa benu ya se hu ya aka ne orun o iwa yorobo bi opa ojasen omo sigo no wi me odo ni ri ewe na o ma fi ra egun me o ma do pe ka me ni unu ya hon mu imagi mi go ohun adomu go ju ohun wa na gbe mi le no ohun wa na we marriage kege ni ga de imagi mi jo po bo piana a o ge gbanu piana o imagi o mi o do aja se dan e marriage we bo no ma we gbe ge jo no e marriage we bo o we gbegbe no ma we gbe ge jo wa no a o all eyes on it e sa de no pe mana via ojo e sa de no ko ifia ojo na make everybody they pray kwa ya wa we gbe prayer why no ma sa any man that doesn't know God don't go if you are a Christian e maro no ma sa okay o no anything ebo wa de omo no fu no ba wo wa me so why you call yourself a Christian don't ever o no pe ni we yan do wa no emu emu una arigo no makeke no you are in trouble. So why ko na orun agugwa be see. But again na ohun no be mado ere no. Opia na koke oyebe bo wa. But there are many people na kokoko na bo wa. Igo ni uma na kokoko no nyi. Uma na afin ra no ko no nyi. Wa ajugo we yazigo seka. Omo ka o no keke no carry igo we. Nuka feed ne ko von okonu wa gbaro wa. O mana feed okonu wa gbaro wa ne ko von igo we no we kwon wa ya igo se ko ya we mi agbon wa ya ri oto yen mi we. But many of you obokun wa beg obokun wa go mo ro e wardrobe e me mi ro pa e wa ya abo wa yo wa. Wa gbon ya ma wa e we. See this girl now, she know they do anything. You have 2 children, be 3 children. 2 children. The man they take care of her. And the man, he don't build the house finish for Nigeria. Now only the man, they pay everything. Oh, you go now every month, the man, the €100 near. Near me, ya we dollar, benyeje. That's what it's supposed to be. Oh, yeah, make it not be relationship. Oh, we respect you. Oh, when you measure, you no make it not me respect. I can't lie you people. Iyobone ya kuwa, bete make it dame. Ohoni ame go be banki imeti no we baba na we gwale €50 me especially beg ene be wallet we wa wuri ye me love wa expire it may not be zero but all limit opia ame ke dan ema ewo malaka opia no me ke dan what is the need to know yali me yo wa di yeti me we €50 is yeti me we €30 what is the need ohoni wa pay go wa okay they can want to marry meji adeso wa marry meji eto okake no amogwa no ari okola uge wa itiri okwo na mowa the no na be do more expenses ya jo mo we okwo be must no it's not compulsory okwo must go we pay B. If you want a woman to join you to pay B, you have to use cool mind, not violent. Are roy o kame you go ni wa be me moti na ge ni mi ya be ji o me ori enu are aya mi mani ko emi are but it's so big about time and I always say go agwa umana go agwo ko go mi ewefo Kwa we me respect. Ikwo give me respect is sebegena. Atema no give respect is sebegena. Ikwi ma give respect is sekbia. Beni bia ya gwa wegena. Averi mama aguji magwa verio. Wa manere kpa erubi. Wa be okwonu kwa be go be strong go. O keep it be nu wakpa. O ma fio wejua. E soro ame mu go jinya o betia na keep it be nu wakpa. Bet wa mu go le here. Wa here we go are Nigeria. Wa tamia. Wa here doctor. Wa tamia. Wo kwa ya valo we me go kwona mo bia mo ho ne oni kuhiare yabe beni meji amowe mo ho ne na ga my trust we iri gap no okono wa tu nyime we wa do wa ga tiela ni me iri pick because it lack of not this straight I will make be by ga friend take be ne okono tell you rock be wallet make up can we understand tamai ni go no me salary tamai project no wo no we je na ori eru bawe de na ire we ojibo okwo na nya mare awe ona uto uga bega ni mawe onu mare we sota de invest yeba uga be una muebe o many times nu muebe o ebe mi no jawe ya o ma valo we my sister o ma valo we umose wa gian ga we maybe we wa payo biyan re gwa ni o ma be boss enu na mi o ma be unless we go look date maskiro wa o maskiro wa o when a boss my gele ya gwa be na ni bunye dede go ye wa we no go ku even ko e be very o pe wa ta lo be no go ku do ma no maro pe no ta lo be no go ku ezo wa re a e be mi ge no wa ya nwo wa ta lo pere mi wa fo be ku wa ha kemi na no ha we kan ni awe ne no gbera no gbe ya gbe okan a story of how we no tama we be ge no na ru wa gbon u gbe ya gbe okan do be kwa ke ya respect wa e very o okay, ya gwere gba teme ma we. Ebe no tama we the last year. Wa ri gwi ve no na do ya agbo ye rokan. Ebe family oge no tama we na do ya agbe okan. Everything when a woman wa discuss ma was a boyfriend or as a husband. Ezo e wa do ya agi o. Okwe ya do open e ati ma we. Eri open o do ta go da fome wa be teme ma bodo ya just keep e. O wa na mi bere ya ata me ya wo ya ata mo se o se ne o ga wo e. Wa try and wa work on yourself ikpe na gi mebe na wa mi respect orobuwa e so mi respect because when you am egbiyanji o pe wa ni nyebe fun e fun pe wa ringi every give go business o wa ringi wo ge dese go kwa ke ya respect wa e very o pe wa ni nyi o wa talo even o talo jini na igo laire. What kind of a man will be like that? Go and see responsible man e fun o ge ga ringi o ga even ya gbaji wina. They talk good thing. 2 minutes or 3 minutes, he finish. Obe wa toge. O wa ninyoma. Person call you, your wife is dead. Then we let you over way. O wa tira o wa ninyoma talo wa refun. Wa talo the episode yo. Aka ne ma the episode yo wa ya ninyoma. Obo we ga ninyu gwa bakwa no wo mweme we pa obo wona we. Ama ku emi no ma. Then no lawo wa no we gbe train 7 ya train wa kuliviere ya unyiwe ne ya maka gwe obugwa yana do wo e karata dan e viere maka mede obugwa yana do wo obugwa yana we na ya te police no ma obugwa yana we na ya ta agbera gbiji e ologo kete mi okwo no ta agbera gbiji wa kaso wa mi viere uta agbera gbiji ne gwagwa na tie ni jugwe bo se tiju e mo godi na wa abete dai mo juwe ki we no tie ne rabi je no be tie ne rabi juwe. Oh, why tenera bijo we na tenera bijwe. What's here? I mean, done ya ni kwe so you do invest in latana. Wani pe amaya e. Owo wa mi wa me security. Wa ye phone, wa talo. Okay, we when no ko e talo a. When we talo ni ri ya we talo. Wa try and wa develop wa ga on wa me respect we gbiko. No woman is slave. They ga bijwe is slave ya ga akiyegima. We are not slave. We are human. Wa iya veti talking, go and see some men for veti talking. Uni ya wa upere. Go ya respect wa o pe ake gun o make sure we no to make sense. Wa ria mori e mo wa wo ge monu wa koko. E karata wu wa ibi wa ni bugi vi ni ko. Ikpe ani bu eso wo wa. Ichinya is here more and what we day. What's it? I more play love with another woman. Where will your honey get one? Get it, Tamije. What's another Tamije? I'm another 5 years, 6 years, 4 years. On my wedding, you look where play love. You just your man, when we hear winner, or you're supermarketing, okay, we what college you let you Facebook. Uso area jewa mai. Uso atalo, uso aninye vekene moje. Memele kopya no talo be no go hu. Ah, God forbid. Ya wu. Ogona me woni opa ikereki. Iwa ruo wa meba. Ya wu. Opya gunwa evi no ma so to wa ya ruwe bu amogie nu amodio we nu ebebo. Opya ne go gunwa ba mu yan yi. Owa go pra. Ihu akoncho egbin ezu aware. Udo beg ihu akoncho egbin ya. Ikbe so ye koncho egbin ya. We no go ya ladan wonu yo wata. Eso wa akpobo. Ashawo. Wetin be ashawo? Ashawo no be anything. Uke do mi opia no mewa. Osi na gbon na be logo wa ni gba no ti ko ashawo. The only thing na gbon ya na logo wa ga mi ogu meri umewa ashawo de. Ogu we wa ashawo ne. Or ekwonu we marry ogo this virgin eh. Or a girlfriend do ogo this virgin eh. Any woman who really tell ashawo one woman or talk buwa. Because it na ne gwa gweri away. A responsible man can never call a woman ashawo. All those a baby, ni vewe bona, ni ma evi rokpa. Ne gamu la diawu webu.